Hello everyone, this is my second try to make the rose in ballroom, but this time I will use our package material to make it. First of all, let's check what in the package. The sash, ribbon, elastic, fairy light, rose and ballroom. And for your information, we already put the rose in the ballroom. That will help you to save a lot of time. And we are using better quality of ballroom, the pump, stick, and the filter, paper slide. You can change to use the petal, flower petal. This is optional material, tape, holder. And there's another optional material, is the wrapping paper. And today I won't use all the material to make the full setup. I just want to share you some improved idea, improved experience about how to make the rose in ballroom. If you are interested to check the full procedure about the setup, you can click here for my old tutorial. Today I just want to show you some more experience. And also, you need to get ready for some other tool, scissor, and this one, and glue gun. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, take our rose in ballroom, and I don't like to use this type of pump, and instead I will use this type of pump. I will tell you the reason on this video. Okay, the reason I like to use this pump is because I can put the flower stem on the mums and pump in the air. That will very good to help you to hold the flower and avoid the air leak. If you are using this type of the pump, it's hard to put the stem on it. But if you pump the air like this, it's really hard because the air would come out, will leak from this plate. Even you tie it with the elastic, it cannot avoid it. That's one of the reasons I like to use this pump. Okay, go on. Okay, twist the ballroom. I forgot to cut the elastic. Actually, it's a ballroom also. Cut it into 2 pieces. And use one to tie the ballroom and the pump, the mums of the pump. Just wrap it. Will be okay. You don't have to make the knot. Okay, and then pump in the air. The second reason I like to pump this pump, because using this pump will be much more easy, save a lot of power and fast. For your information, I was using the ballroom already stretched. If you watch my old tutorial, we have another hard procedure. It's really hard. We have to stretch the ballroom before we pump in the air in order to make it round. But our package material already using the already stretched ballroom. Just pump in the air will be okay. Okay, this is the first time we pump in the air. The first time we pump in the air, we are not aimed to make the ballroom. Just want to take the length of the flower stem to make sure where your flower, which place your flower you like it to in the ballroom, the length. Okay, I think this place will be better. So we will take this measurement, take the length like this. So link the air out. Take off the elastic. Okay, look, this is the length of the flower we want to take. And also we need to keep a little more longer of the stem. So we will cut the flower stem from here. So I will take off. Okay, after we cut off the stem, this plate will be very sharp. It will broken. It will hurt the ballroom. So we have to apply some hot glue. Okay, apply some hot glue. This step will be very important because it will damage your ballroom. Okay? Okay, then pump in the air again. But since we already applied some hot glue on the stem, so the stem will become large and cannot put on the mounts. Never mind. Take it off. Just put it on this plate will be okay. Also, tie the mounts. You don't have to make the knot. Just tie it. You don't have to make the knot. Just press it. Will be okay. And then the flower stems are in this place. Okay, pump in the air. I will show you the effect. Okay, after I pump in the air. Okay, and then take the length of the load you want. Okay. I can find that and then wrap the ballroom. Okay, oh, the mom already dropped off, but never mind. Take the length you want. I pump the ballroom much more larger than what I want because during this procedure, the air would link. Okay, take the length you want. Use the elastic to tie on the ballroom. Because there are a foam in front of me, it's not much convenient, but actually very easy. just tie it. Okay. For your information, this balloon will not go to this step. It's not completed because even you cannot feel it, but the air already is now linking, but you cannot feel it. But anyway, the next step, we need to drag the balloon hardly. No matter what, you have to tie the balloon itself. Okay, completed. I tie a knot. Look, if we can tie 2 knots, that will be perfect, but it's really hard to jet and tie it. But this part will be very important to prevent the air leaking. Okay, that's why I recommend to use this type of balloon, because this type of balloon, the opening will be a little bit larger and longer. That will be much more easy to tie the knot. But anyway, it's hard to stretch anyway. If you want to know the detail about how to pick the better quality of balloon or other material to make the flower in the balloon, you can check my other video by click here. Okay then, let's tie it on the holder. Okay, very simple. Just put the balloon on the holder and use this elastic to tie it tight on the holder. It'll be okay. Look, there's a hook. So you try every method to tie it and wrap it. Finally, you don't have to tie the elastic. There's a hook. Just hook the elastic on the hook will be okay. It will be very sturdy to hold the balloon on the holder. Okay, completed. Look. And the following about how to put on the stick and how to wrap the fairy light and the fabric or the paper to decorate this balloon. I don't show the procedure on this video. You can check my full step tutorial by click here for the old video. Okay, the following I will use several of this balloon to show you my idea about use them to make the decoration on the event. If you are interested, you can watch my following video. Okay, if you are interested to buy the material to make the balloon like this, you can inbox me via Facebook page, or you can check more detail from my blog. All the links to my Facebook page and blog you can find. Check the link from the information field below this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.